going back again in Travelogy episode 30, part number 2. Happy New Year to all the subscribers and viewers who watching this channel, and thank you so much. Still keep following me until this episode, and then now it's 2021. It's a new year in Australia. Then I'm with Sosho. We wanna going to Orange. Is a city in New South Wales, next to Wellington. 1 hour from Wellington. And then we stay in Dabo now, and then we're just going to chill. Yeah.
It's already 3:30.
Yeah.
So what we gonna do?
Yeah, we just going explore the city, and then chill, talking, and then talking whatever we want until night. Yeah.
This is in our style to talk about anything, just to be able to.
Yeah, this is the first time we're going outside in 2021. Yesterday we just stay at home and then cooking. Now we are on the way to Orange, and let's see.
Half an hour.
Yeah, what happened next in that city? Yeah, so we just arrived in Orange, and then we are so hungry. We want to eat kind of food around here. Yeah, usually I eat Vietnamese pho because my favorite food. Everywhere around Australia, I always find pho first. Choo-choo!
Yeah. We're gonna eat pho, right? Yeah.
Or another Asian food. That's fine. So now we are in Vietnamese restaurant waiting for my food. Show for in 2021.
Maybe do more.
Put chili special. This is my pho. The first pho in 2021. What? Chili. Selamat makan. Good for in orange. So we just finished eating and then we are going to the park around here. And then oh, there's a beautiful park. Nice place for chill. Whee! Wow. Ding. Hi, so after sitting in the park and city seeing, and then we're going to waterfall to see waterfall. But now almost 6 o'clock. Maybe we're gonna be dark soon, but it's okay. Yeah.
I think 8 o'clock.
Ooh. Yeah, maybe the day will be dark soon. How do you think?
I think it's gonna like in 2 hours.
Yeah, in 2 hours.
But little bit cloud. cloudy today.
Mm.
So well, I think it's really be dark already.
Yeah, so because in the sign just walking 400 meters, sorry, 400 meters. So yeah, we'll try because we are already here. Bing, 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 bing. And then talk about Australia. Yeah, in here the situation still messy. They still lock the border.
Yeah.
Yeah, because coronavirus. Yeah, but not messy, not messy. Only the in the big city maybe. We are far from a big city, so we stay in rural area. So everything is still okay.
And at least we still have job.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this is a good thing.
Yeah, we still have a job during this COVID-19 pandemic. And then we got holiday, Christmas and New Year. For 2 weeks holiday. Oh, long holiday. But mostly we just stay at home. Yeah.
Dancing.
Yeah.
Dancing at home.
Social of dancing.
No, you love dancing. Cooking, dancing, cooking.
Yeah.
What else?
And then singing.
Singing.
And then yoga. I teach social yoga yesterday. I teach you yoga.
No. I think you just stretch out like this and finish.
I think this is more than 400 meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how.
Ooh, mosquito.
So not sure how long you're gonna take.
Yeah, just keep walking. Maybe you can find from GPS.
Thank you.
So now we can talk about like a resolution in 2021. What is your resolution?
You fast. I'm thinking.
Yeah, we want in the middle of 2021 we plan to go to Indonesia and then go to Japan. But because the situation now like is unpredictable, yeah, we are not sure we can enter Indonesia or Japan, yeah, easily. But yeah, we will be struggle. And then my personal resolution, yeah, of course I want to be better than before.
Be healthy.
Be healthy.
Don't eat too quick.
Yeah. And then maybe I can start new family. Start for family.
You're gonna propose.
Hey. Waterfall. Oh.
Yeah.
How about you? How about you?
My goal 2021. Just to try to be healthy as usual. And then try to get some like a new experience. Encourage myself to out of comfort zone. Go Indonesia, go Japan, and what else? Maybe try get like a new certificate to learn. To keep just to like force myself keep learning. Yeah, and then stay with you. I think we're just waiting for this word.
Yeah, finally we arrived in the waterfall. Oh, that's a nice place. Susu coming. Yeah, it's been a long time not see waterfall. Now I see waterfall again. Yeah. The things that I love from Australia, the national park is always quiet, and then there's a sign system, good sign system, easy to visit, and then they have a good track. They maintain the track. The council, the government. No street vendor like in our country, Indonesia. And then visit place like this always refresh my mind. Look at that. Now we go there and then pass to there. See, yeah, keep going. See the waterfall. Here. Yeah. Woo! You can pass here. Yeah, good. Let's go. Keep going. Okay, be careful. Huh? Heavy? Here, Sosho, look. Look. Yeah, easy. Go there, boom boom boom.
Oh.
So the next step is to check it out. no! Wait. This is a bit wet. Okay. Yay! Yay! We arrived in the waterfall. So I'm gonna fly my drone now. Woo.
Audi.